who like to do this as a hobby, this is a place to come to see so many of these beautiful Indian birds in one place in the largest geodesic dome in the world.
1100 से अधिक पक्षी और जानवर और दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा जियोडेसिक डोम, 150 मीटर लंबी इंडियन एवियरी और जो 50 मीटर चौड़ी और 18 मीटर ऊंची है, और एग्जॉटिक एवियरी 125 मीटर लंबी, 35 मीटर चौड़ी और 18 मीटर ऊंची.
So yes, there are two aviaries. One is the Indian aviary, which is 150 meters long, 50 meters wide, 15 meters high, and there is the exotic aviary, which is 125 meters long, 35 meters wide, and 15 meters high. And each of these enclosures is specifically designed to keep these birds in their natural environment.
You would have noticed that some of the birds seem to be hurt. Those are birds that have been, and some of the animals too, have been rescued